Hello everybody, this is Michelle with Creative Operation and Country Craft Creations, and I have my August design team package I want to share with you today. I love this collection. This is so much fun. But before I get started, I just wanted to say thank you to everybody who participated in the summer ween hop that we just did yesterday, and it was absolutely amazing. All of the projects were just phenomenal and so much fun, and I've actually already made 3 of the 5. So I'm super excited about that. That was super fun to do. So actually, I guess 4 out of 5 if you count mine that I did the tutorial on. So anyway, I digress. Thank you so much for doing that. And if you missed it, please go back. It's the previous video from this one, so just the one behind this. I did a full-on tutorial. There's a walkthrough for my project as well. And also go check out the others' channels. We use that beautiful Summer Ween Ghosts on Vacation collection. It's super cute. But today, what I want to show you is my design team package for August. And this is a brand new collection called Summer Cottage. And it's absolutely gorgeous. I'm super excited to share this with you. So let's get started by talking about the papers, and then we'll go over the goodies that I got to go with it here in just a sec. So again, this is a brand new collection, and I received all 3 sizes. So I have the 6x8, the 8x8, and the 12x12 collection. Now, what I like about this is that the 6x8s have a little bit different paper. They have a little bit different design than they do with the 8x8 and the 12x12. So these basically are kind of the same, just a smaller size than the 8x8, but the 6x8 has a little bit different kind of things in it. So I'm excited to share that with you. So what we'll do is we'll go through the 8x8 and the 6x8. I won't go through the 12x12, but I just wanted to share with you that I do have that. And then we'll go over the paper colors that I got. Okay. So let's get started by, actually, let's go through the colors of coordinating cardstock first, and then I'll have room for the papers. So I do want to share with you that I did receive this pack of 60-pound Vellum Moss Green paper, which is going to go gorgeous with this collection. And then I also received 2 sheets of Frosted Rose, and then this one is called Putty, and it's a really pretty craft color. I'm going to be using, I have a full pack of 24 of the Ivory Artisan Cardstock, and then I have a couple sheets of heavyweight chipboard, and then the score tape sheets to go with it. So again, I got a whole pack of the moss, and then 2 sheets each of these, and then a whole pack of the ivory paper to go with it. Okay, so those are the cardstocks that I'm going to be working with. Now, I always put links down below in my video description for all of the products that I did receive, so that you guys can go and check them out, and you will have a link directly to the products. All right, and then here's the papers. So again, we got the 6x8 collection, we have the 8x8 collection, and then we have the 12x12. Now the 12x12 and the 8x8 are the same. And as I'm thinking about it, maybe what I'll do is go through the 12x12 so that you can see it in a bigger size. So I'm just making sure that I am in camera here, but here is the front cover, and it's just super pretty. And what I like about this is that you have a bonus piece right here, and isn't that pretty with the fence and the butterfly? Isn't that gorgeous? So on the title sheet, you have actually a page that you can use as well. We have cut aparts, and I love this. I love this. We've got like 4x4s, we've got 4x6s, we have some labels here, we've got 4x3s, so we have all sorts of different sizes to choose from. I love that. We have a sheet of that. Oh, and look at the back of this, the butterflies. Isn't that not adorable or what? That's so pretty. That moss green is going to look perfect with this paper. We have a sheet of cut aparts here. So we have the geese. Look at this. How sweet is this? We even have clouds. Little flower seed packs. Just adorable. And then look at the little face on her. Is she not pretty or what? Just so gorgeous. I love these. They're white on the back side here. And then we have a second sheet, which is awesome. So we have hats, we have geese, we have bows. Look at the bows. I love that. Little mushrooms. We've got books. Once Upon a Time in a Sun-Dappled Cottage Garden. I can't talk. A small friend, a kind heart, and endless floral dreams. I love it. So pretty. The little dresses and everything. Look, you could do paper dolls. you could do paper dolls. Okay, so super pretty cut apart. So we have those, and then here is the paper. So then you get 3 sheets of each design. So here's the first design with this beautiful cottage with the geese and the rabbit. Look at that, Flora's cottage. Isn't that beautiful? I just love this. And the back of this is this gorgeous floral pattern. I love that. That reminds me of wallpaper you might see like in grandma's house. So pretty. So pretty. I love the colors. Love the florals. Love the little critters. The detail in this is just amazing. I just love that. The little clothesline. And then the quilt pattern with the rickrack. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Ooh, I love that. So pretty. So pretty. This paper here has the cottage. We have little mice in there. We have flowers. So this would be fun. You could use this as a page. I can't get my fingers to work and get this third page. You could use this as a page, but you could also like fussy cut out if you need more little houses, or you need more little plants or little mice or something. That would be easy to do. Yes, it would. And that beautiful floral on the back. Isn't that pretty? Oh, I love it. I love it. This is adorable. Look at the little doggy. How cute is that little pup? And the books and the flowers. Again, the butterflies. This is so pretty. I just love it. The back of this is this gorgeous plaid on this. Look at this with the banners and the little bird, the butterfly and the books. That's gorgeous. And the clouds. Isn't that pretty? Oh my gosh, I just love this paper collection. It's so sweet. So pretty. I love, look at all the little books and stuff. The books and the little butterflies and stuff. So pretty. And we've got our little squirrel again. She's adorable with her little flowers in her apron. So cute. This is a perfect paper collection. You could do lots of stuff with this. So I'm seeing like, I'm envisioning like a gardening journal. I'm envisioning maybe even recipe books. You know, country little themed recipe book would be really cute. Summer photos at the lake. Doing, oh, and look at the wood grain. Gotta have some wood grain. That's really pretty. I love that. And then the little houses here. This is the last paper. And then the pattern back here with all the hearts. Isn't that gorgeous? That is a gorgeous paper collection. I just love it. So again, that is the 12 by 12, okay? And then the 8 by 8 is, you know, the same papers that we just went through, okay? So I'll just quickly kind of fan through those. So cute. Aren't they pretty? I love it. Okay, so let's go through this 6 by 6 because that's really pretty too. And we have a little bit different stuffs here. So the 6 by 6, we'll go this way. Here's the cover paper. So you remember the cover paper on this 8 by 8 had the fence with the butterfly. So that's what I'm talking about. We've got a little bit different pattern. So if you want to get all of the things, I would suggest you get this and then at least one of the others, okay? We have the cut aparts here, and look, there's some different cut aparts in here. So I love that. Butterflies on the back. We have a few other little different things in here, little borders and things. So definitely want to get at least 2, if not 3 of these collections, because seriously, you want all the images you can get, right? And then you have, oh, look at this. See, now these are all different. These are all different. There's a tea party going on. And that's so sweet. That is so sweet. The back of that with the little birds. Like, come on, you guys. This is so adorable. And then we've got a little mouse. She's doing her little wash. Flora's cottage. So stinking cute. Little dresses. Look at this page. Isn't that gorgeous? If you made some sort of an album, you could use this as a journaling spot. You could put a big picture here. Just so pretty. More florals on the back. Oh, you guys, look at this. Okay, we got to take a moment and look at this. If I can get my fingers to work again. Look at how pretty that. Can you see that? It's absolutely gorgeous. Got the flower shop, tea cottage, garden cottage, and the look at the detail. Can you guys see that? You guys, you have to see this paper in person. It's gorgeous. And the stone wall with the flower pots. Very pretty. Very pretty. So you see what I'm saying? You need to get all of it. You need to get all of it. Got our little doggy here. I love that dog. I just want to boop his nose. So cute. I love that pattern too with the colors, the pink and the green. So pretty. Get the quilt pattern again. Isn't that pretty with the rickrack? I love that rickrack. And the florals back there. Look at that. So pretty. We've got another page here. It's beautiful. This is nice and open. Be perfect for journaling or one great big picture. And the wood grain back there. And then we have the houses with the hearts. And more of that. Okay, so super, super duper cute. Now, let me show you the embellishments that I got. So, for this collection, I received the Prima flowers here. Perfect colors for this one. This one is, what is the name of this? Serene Petals. That's what it's called. Serene Petals. Isn't that pretty with the greens and the pinks? Super gorgeous. That's going to look perfect with that. And then I got 2 yards each. This is the 2-inch Crinkle Petal Pink Chiffon ribbon. It is so beautiful. It's just barely pink. But it's gorgeous. I love this ribbon too. It's so soft and it works really, really well. And it makes a really nice fluffy bow for closures, which I really, really love. So I got that. And then I got 2 yards of this cream seam binding. So that's going to look perfect with this collection. And then I also got the Summer Cottage ephemera pack. So this is already die cut for you. So that is like a super awesome bonus. So I have not only the ephemera pack, but then I've got all the other pieces in the collection that I can cut out and use. But we've got like the easels. You could take a white pen and write a message on here and add it to your book. You get a couple of those. You get 2 of everything. So then you've got mushrooms here. We've got little cottages. There's little birdhouse, the hat, honey pots. So you have 2, actually you get 4 in all of the honey pots. Look at that. We have our flower seed packs. You get 4 of those. Then there's the books. Check out the books. So you get 2 of each. So you have a stack with no writing on them, and then a stack with the cottage garden, stories of flora, and then the herbal secrets. So aren't those adorable? I love that. The book stacks, I love them. We get some flowers. Love these beautiful flowers. There's 2 different sizes. So you get 4 in all. And then you get all of these cute little geese. Like, look how super cute they are. And then you get a couple bunny rabbits. So I have a lot of stuff going on in my head right now to make something. So I got the ephemera pack, the Summer Cottage ephemera pack. I got the Prima flowers, 2 yards each of this beautiful seam binding and the chiffon ribbon, which I absolutely adore that chiffon ribbon. And then we have the 6x8 pack. We have the 8x8 pack. And then we have the 12x12 pack. I love that. And then don't forget to grab all of your coordinating cardstock. So again, this is Moss Green. And then I got Frosted Rose and then Putty. These are my colors. And then I got a pack of the natural Artisan Cardstock. So you guys, I'm super excited about this design team package. I cannot wait to get started with it. Go run to the store. All the links are down below in my video description. And check out everything. Get your stuff. And then I will be back soon with a really awesome tutorial. Okay? So take care. Stay crafty. And I will see you again soon. All right? Bye-bye.